Top 5 Quart Air Fryer Review. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. In our list, number 1 is Air Fryer Oven with Dehydrator, Ninja AF161. Cook 3 pounds of French fries, using little to no oil, in a family-sized 5.5 quarts basket. Max Crisp technology delivers 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster. Number 2 is the most popular Power Air Fryer XL. The secret to the Power Air Fryer XL is rapid air technology. Cook with little to no oil, no trans fats, and no greasy mess. The best part is the state-of-the-art digital touchscreen and 7-1 Touch Easy presets. Number 3 is the perfect 5-quart stainless steel air fryer, Elite Platinum. The Elite Platinum digital air fryer has a variety of functions to handle a wide array of cooking tasks. Digital touch screen display and 8 quick menu functions, designed with an attractive stainless steel exterior finish to fit any modern home kitchen. Number 4 is best manual 5-quart air fryer, Secura XL. Rapidly circulating hot air technology. 5.5 quart locking large fry basket. Pan and metal basket are removable, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Heavy-duty design. Modern countertop design complements any kitchen decor. Number 5 is best digital 5-quart air fryer oven, GoWise USA. It has a wide temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. Comes with a non-stick FDA-certified and PFOA-free air fry pan and basket with a cool touch handle and a removable crisper tray. Want to read the full review? Follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching. FamilyNeed.com. Your need, our deed.